What's up, guys? My name is Allie, and if you're new here, I live in this off-grid cabin in the woods of Kentucky. Please subscribe if you have not already. Today we are working on our little patio deck area. So one day we'd love to build a whole big old deck out front, but the price of lumber right now is just way too high. So we've been improvising and making a little space where we can sit outside and it's not all muddy. So far we have been getting loads of pea gravel. We drove about an hour and a half to go get loads of pea gravel by the 1,000 pounds. We've gotten 3 loads and we have put down black paper and putting the pea gravel on top just to create a little patio space. And then we've lined it with rocks that we have found on the property. And then we made a little campfire area. We've got our picnic table out. And now today, since my parents are in town, my dad is great at woodworking and figuring out all the math. Today we're building steps. So the plan for today is to build steps that go all the way across this front deck so that it's more of like, it extends the deck out a little and it can be like a little sitting area, and it'll be nice until we can afford to do all of this. So, and then right here will be my swing, but I need to stain the board. Here's my swing, but I need stained. Here were my dad's calculations. I have no idea what any of this is, but the stairs are going to go across and then stop because they're so much shorter down here than they are down here, but it'll be nice. And then that'll extend the living space a little. Then over here we have my plants, and I plan on putting lattice across the edge here to block the underside of the deck. And then it's kind of a mess, but this is the pea gravel we put down. And so, see how the paper's running up? So we're going to pull this back so there's no pea gravel under the steps. And we're going to move it up here to where we kind of ran out. And then over here we have a little fire pit area, but nothing's cleaned up yet. So I'll show you guys as we go along.
Leave the fabric.